How to do ClickBank affiliate marketing with free traffic. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will talk about how to do ClickBank affiliate marketing with free traffic. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. You need to know the best free traffic sources for ClickBank products in order to get started with earning commissions without paying for ads while promoting affiliate products from the ClickBank marketplace. ClickBank is one of many awesome affiliate programs that don't require a website, and affiliate marketing is the act of promoting other people's products in order to earn commissions for each sale made. There are a ton of different ways you can get free traffic for ClickBank offers, but some traffic sources perform better than others. Here is the list of 9 best free traffic sources for ClickBank affiliate marketing. Number 1, ClickBank affiliate website. A ClickBank affiliate website is a website dedicated to the promotion of ClickBank products, and it's the best way to get free traffic for ClickBank offers on autopilot. If properly built and optimized for search engines, you can get a lot of free targeted traffic from Google to the ClickBank products you are promoting. There are 2 types of ClickBank affiliate websites you can build. Automated ClickBank affiliate marketing website. This type of ClickBank affiliate website is a self-hosted WordPress niche website with video contents that are automatically and legally imported from YouTube channels. ClickBank links are often promoted on this type of website via banners and stealth ads. To get started, you need to choose a profitable ClickBank niche to work with, get a domain related to that niche, and purchase hosting for the domain. Niche affiliate blog. The WordPress platform is designed to be a blog by default. After getting a domain name and hosting, you can download WordPress with a single click from hosting companies like Bluehost and start creating affiliate marketing blog posts for the promotion of ClickBank products. To get lots of quality traffic for free using this method, you need to learn how to research low competition keywords and underserved topics and write quality content on these topics. Number 2, Pinterest. Pinterest is a social media platform that serves as a quality source of free traffic for ClickBank products. Pinterest is a cross between a social media platform and a visual search engine. This platform is one of the best social media for affiliate marketing. This benefits you since you can target certain keywords related to your niche or product that you are promoting, and you can rank for them quicker on Pinterest than on Google. How to get free traffic to ClickBank offers using Pinterest. To get results on Pinterest, you need to create boards that are at least somewhat related to the ClickBank products you will be promoting. Create pins that are focused on keywords you want to target and pin those pins to whichever boards are the most relevant. Best practices for the promotion of affiliate products on Pinterest necessitates that most of the pins you create should link to pages where users can get valuable information. You can publish blog posts, then use a free tool like Canva to create a series of pins that link back to that single blog post. After you've produced your pins, you should pin them to the most appropriate board or boards on your account. Number 3, Facebook. Facebook is a social media platform with billions of users, and it's awesome for affiliate marketing because it allows the direct marketing of affiliate links to its enormous user base. There are 3 ways you can get free traffic from Facebook to your ClickBank affiliate links. We will take a look at all 3. A Facebook profile. You are mandated to create a Facebook profile while creating an account on Facebook. This area is a good spot to get free traffic to a ClickBank product. Using your Facebook profile can work great for your ClickBank affiliate marketing business if you have lots of engaged followers on Facebook. Facebook groups. Facebook groups allow you to build a large community of people interested in achieving a common goal. You can create a Facebook group centered around the niche of the ClickBank products you intend to promote. Grow the group with relevant content within your niche and seldom promote your ClickBank links for free to your audience. Facebook page. Facebook pages allow individuals, marketers, businesses, celebrities, and other entities to create a public presence on Facebook. As an affiliate marketer, you can create a Facebook page and utilize it for driving quality traffic to your ClickBank affiliate products for free. To ensure Facebook pages work for you, you need to focus on a topic or theme and only promote products that are related to the theme of your page. Number 4, Instagram. Instagram and ClickBank are a perfect match, but Instagram is generally one social media platform where links go to die because clickable links can be added to posts except if one has more than 10,000 followers. The website section of Instagram bio is the most obvious place to drive traffic to ClickBank through your link as an affiliate marketer, but you are limited to 1 link per account. To remove this limitation, you will need to make use of the service of a bio link tool. This tool can help you create a mini page where you can add multiple affiliate links for promotion via your bio. Learn all you need to know about how to promote ClickBank products on Instagram here. Number 5. YouTube. Over 1.8 billion people around the globe watch YouTube. Chances are a large number of people interested in the ClickBank products you are promoting are among the engaged audience YouTube has to offer. YouTube is a social media that allows the direct promotion of ClickBank affiliate links for free, and it's one of the best places to promote ClickBank products without a website. Unlike Instagram, you can promote a number of links directly via the video description area. There are different types of videos you can use in promoting ClickBank offers on YouTube, and I personally use an app called 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 to shoot these videos without showing my face. Below are the 2 types of faceless videos I use in earning commissions while promoting ClickBank links on YouTube. How-to tutorial videos. Making how-to videos for your YouTube channel is an excellent way to get in front of an audience from whom you can generate affiliate sales. How-to videos might be extensive or short, but they must contain all of the information required for the job. When making how-to videos, you want to teach people how you do things and what you use step by step. Product reviews. You can create review videos on YouTube in 2 ways. You can decide to create a review video on the ClickBank product you've chosen to promote, telling people about its features and why you appreciate it. Alternatively, you might conduct a review comparing various items that could be a solution and then explain why you chose the one that you did. Number 6. Quora. Quora is a forum where members of the community can ask questions and get answers to their questions from other members of the community. To get free traffic to ClickBank offers via Quora, you will need to provide the most detailed answers to questions that are related to the niche of the offers you are promoting. When looking for questions to answer, it's probably best to concentrate on those with a reasonable number of followers, as these are more likely to appear in places like search results or Quora Digest daily emails sent out to Quora users with questions related to their interests. So, to get started, type your question into the search field and then click on the Questions tab in Quora. Look at the questions that have been posted after that. Focus on the ones that are both relevant and have a reasonable number of followers. Number 7. LinkedIn. You are leaving a ton of money on the table if you are an affiliate marketer that thinks LinkedIn is only used for job seeking in 2022. Not too long ago, LinkedIn launched a content publishing platform called Post, through which you can create content in form of articles for marketing purposes. This is a great opportunity for the publishing of content promoting ClickBank affiliate links. If you use this platform to publish quality contents that are properly optimized for search engines, you can rank high on Google, through which you can get a ton of free traffic. Number 8. Medium.com. Medium.com is an online publishing platform where writers can publish articles and monetize their content through the promotion of affiliate products or with the Medium Partnership Program. Promoting ClickBank offers on Medium.com is a cool ClickBank free traffic strategy because articles published on the platform are often ranked high on Google search results for many search phrases. This would give your affiliate links the right exposure it needs to get enough traffic for the generation of sales and commissions. Although the platform allows the promotion of affiliate links, you need to be careful while using it for the promotion of your ClickBank links because they may decide to suspend your account at any time. Number 9. TikTok. Chances are you will get a ton of free traffic to ClickBank offers if you can create a TikTok account for affiliate marketing and upload lots of viral videos promoting ClickBank offers. TikTok is an awesome social media platform for the promotion of products through video content. The platform is not all about dance videos like some people may think, and you don't need to upload videos showing your face in order to get the attention of TikTokers. There are lots of faceless video ideas you can deploy for your marketing if you wish to stay anonymous on TikTok. Final words on free ClickBank traffic methods. The 9 free ClickBank traffic sources discussed can get you the best quality traffic for the promotion of offers from the ClickBank marketplace. These are the places where you can promote ClickBank products for free and earn a ton of commissions from affiliate marketing. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.